Okay, let me reach down here and show the exhaust. It is sitting right there. Just dumps out here behind the passenger wheel on the rear, and it sounds something like this. There's the front. Looks all cool. This is where I messed up on cutting. Little gap there, not too worried about it. But all the windows down. Rev it up a little bit. Squeaky suspension. Turn off the air here for a minute. This is just driving around the parking lot. This is with all the windows rolled down. I'm usually pretty light on the throttle, so it wouldn't make quite as much noise as it usually makes. As soon as we can join traffic. I don't know, I really like the way it sounds. It doesn't bother me at all. I quite enjoy it. I don't know if that gives you an idea of what it really sounds like or not, but let me roll up the windows and accelerate a little bit, see if you can hear. It'll be interesting to see if we can actually hear any of this. I'm not even accelerating right now, we're just going downhill. A little power. There's a hill that we're going to climb here in just a second, and honestly I can hear the squeaking of the suspension more than I can hear the exhaust. Okay, now we're going uphill. This is probably closer to what it would sound like if you were on the highway too. It's really not bad. It just kind of blends into the background. Of course, I picked the one time that everybody's actually driving the speed limit too, so whatever. See that gives you an idea of what it sounds like. If not, let me know and I'll see if there's something else I can do for you. All right, I'm out of here.